So unfortunately, I just came to the realization that my mic wasn't plugged in during that whole entire unboxing. So I moved them to a different room with a little better light so I can show them off a little bit better. Here they are. The weave is insane on them. It's very, very clean. They came already with the 3M pre-stick on it. So unfortunately, I'm a little too busy today to install them, but I just couldn't wait any longer to keep them in the box. I had to open it. So these specific seat covers, they're made by a company called BOCA Design. The guy that designs them and makes them and shapes them, he also makes all the carbon for Mode Carbon, which is really cool. So they're really, really high quality. The fitment should be perfect. I'm hoping. We'll see. But yeah, that's soon to come. So it's actually been a few days since I unboxed these things. The weather's just been so bad and I've been way too busy to do it, but today's the day. So I do have these sitting over here. Like I said, they already have the adhesive already on them. I went ahead and put the seats all the way forward and up in the C. Don't mind my dirty floors, we're not focusing on that. To start things off, I'm just gonna wipe off the back of the seats because I need the adhesive to stick. So just quick wipe off the back. Then the second one. Not as dusty as I thought. Now I just have to remove each of the pre-installed adhesive strips. Should be fairly easy, and then I will probably install this side. I'll try and record that side. I don't know if I'll be able to, but I'll try. Wow, dude. Are you f***ing me? Come on. So I just installed that first side and it was kind of a way too much to record. I'm sorry I couldn't get it on film. I'm gonna try and do the second side on film because I'm a little more comfortable, I guess, now. So yeah. Come on, sit. Okay, so lighting is pretty bad in the car, but this is like the only angle I think I'm gonna be able to get, so it is what it is. Alright, it took me about 30 minutes to get these 3M strips off. I think they ended up gluing themselves to it just from sitting for so long, but finally got them off. So what I did on the other side is I lined up the top first. Line up the top and then I dropped in the sides. Make sure it's out of the way. Push. That's about it. Just make sure it's pushed up. And I hold all the, there's a few points where it kind of sticks up, so I hold those down for about 5 minutes and then it kind of fixes it, but it's easy as that. I'll film some shots of them fully installed after this. So down here in the corner is one of the spots you want to hold down, and on the other corner down in here. Alright guys, all installed. A little iffy of an install video again because I actually lost my tripod mount, so I couldn't put you guys up on a tripod, so I had to find some weird locations, but it is fully done now. They are looking sweet. Very clean. I went ahead and wiped them down just to get all the dust and get a nice gloss on them. Those pressure points I was talking about down here, right on this corner, is where you want to hold it for a good like 5 minutes, and that's what I did, and now it's holding pretty good. It is, probably want to hold it a little bit longer. It's almost there, but you do hear it popping up a little bit. And then over in these corners, I just put some random things to hold them down that I have, just so I don't have to sit there and hold those parts. Other than that, I think they look awesome. Match the carbon-tastic steering wheel perfectly. Again, don't mind my floors. Driver side fitment is pretty good. They kind of differ like right here. And then, see if I can get some lighting on it. Yeah, it's not perfect fitment, but you know, small little cracks and crevices isn't the worst. Alright guys, so that'll do it. The carbon seat backs on the C63. Thank you guys for watching. I do have some carbon mirror covers that I should be installing within the next few videos, so do stay tuned for that. Again, thank you guys for watching. See you next time.